No cart is too old to upgrade, and yes, you should upgrade to lithium. No maintenance. You're not going to be watering those batteries anymore. You're not going to be cleaning up the garage floor from all the corrosion. That's a great time saver. Safe and reliable chemistry. This is a battery that's going to last 10 years, backed by a 10-year warranty with one of the safest BMSs on the market. Extended lifespan. You're going to get 10 to 12 years of lifespan out of these grade A LiFePO4 cells that Bolt Energy and Eco Battery both use in their battery kits. This is one of the biggest benefits, is you're going to be able to extend the range on your cart. Traditional lead acid setup, whether you're using 412s or using 8.6s, you're probably getting between 30 and 40, maybe 45 miles of charge. On lithium, you can put setups together to get you all the way up to 80, maybe 85 miles on a single charge. The biggest thing that we're proponents of is have a professional installer do it for you. Time and time again, we get carts that come in that have had shoddy workmanship on different brands of batteries or even similar brands that we sell, and it's just a nightmare. When we come in, we really recommend getting a professional installation team like us here at Best Battery to do the work for you. We do go above and beyond, heat shrinking every cable, cutting cables to length, crimping the right gauge wires, and making sure that everything is secured down in your battery tray so you can enjoy 10 years of maintenance-free lithium in your golf cart.